Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with kidnappings with plans of sexual slavery. Let's see here. My son with his friends kidnapped 17-year-old young girls and drugged them to prostitute them. One of them died from drug overdose. Okay, well, there's a combination of charges here. First of all, we're talking about human trafficking. This is a felony, specifically if you're forcing them to have sex. This is a violation of Penal Code Section 236.1 parentheses C parentheses 2. This is a felony that if they're being forced to have sex, that carries up to life in state prison. So it's life in state prison for human trafficking. If people are not being forced to have sex, generally speaking, carries up to 20 years of state prison. But there's also going to be a conspiracy charge here because it's your son and his friends, so they're going to be charged under Penal Code Section 182, which carries up to 3 years state prison, but they're also going to be charged with all the offenses together. Now, it says right here that somebody died. The problem is that if somebody dies during your commission of committing an inherently dangerous felony, which human trafficking is an inherently dangerous felony, you could be charged with felony murder. And under felony murder, you'd be looking at life or death. That's the bottom line. I mean, this is extremely serious behavior. The fact that they're underage, that doesn't help. Obviously, there'll be potential statutory rape charges there as well. And of course, you're distributing controlled substances, so you could be charged with an 11351, theoretically, of the Health and Safety Code. But yes, this is extremely serious. And if there are text messages between your son and his friends, and that clearly indicate that he was doing this, based on the fact that there was death, obviously this is going to have a lot of news coverage. And in a situation like this, the DA is not going to be very kind, and there's a very high probability, at the very least, your son's going to be facing life in prison. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.